Hello, Rumi, Lily, come over.
Oh, okay.
Girls, the whole world will know about us. We'll become social media stars.
Who gets what?
Spin the wheel to find out.
All right.
Rumi gets TikTok. Oh, I love it. So cool. Not you, Lily. Let's go.
Lily gets Instagram.
Yay, you're a natural Insta star. Let me figure out what to order. Yep, just a sec.
And here's the package.
Ooh, what's inside? Let's see.
There are cards. We'll need them later. And what do we do with this?
Huh? I know, it's for the dress.
Great idea, girl. But first, we need to change Lily. Done. Perfect. Now hand it over.
I'll hold it, you cut.
Okay, let's do this. We'll need a strip like this. Wrap it around the doll to make a skirt.
And a little corset on top. So fire. Time for the cards.
Oh, almost forgot them. Ooh, wow, looks cool. Tying laces of different colors together. Slightly sealing the ends. Now they're secure. Attaching them to the shoulders. Insta logo.
Now it feels more Instagram ready, but still not enough.
Don't worry, we've got more cards.
Exactly, and here. What is this curtain?
Huh? Curtain? That's tulle.
Okay, then you sew, I'll grab markers.
Okay. Laying out the fabric. Stitching the edge by hand. Gathering it up.
Look what I brought! Time to fix this dull vibe. La la la, la la la. I love drawing. Voila, done. Okay, bestie, try it on. Wow, let's do it. I look so pretty now. I love my new style. Woohoo! Lali love.
There's no such thing as too much sparkle. Hand it over. Decorating the skirt with rhinestones.
Now that's better. Lalalu, we forgot something. My legs are cold.
We've got one last card. Boom. Knew it, stylish boots.
Yes, my size.
Wow, the look turned out stunning.
And final makeup. Lali love. I'm absolutely in love. Now you're a true Insta queen. Time to take tons and tons of photos. We need a handbag ASAP. Mosaic? So cool. I'll grab beads. Oh! Ah!
Gotcha.
Where did these birds come from?
Careful, bestie. I'll take this. Pouring beads into sections by color. We need smooth transitions. That's called a gradient. Stringing beads onto a thin needle. Done. Bright straps ready. Attaching them to the back. Need to add side panels.
Kinda too simple, right? Oh, wait, needs the Insta logo. Pop. Right here.
Lali, pass me some glitter.
Huh? Don't want to.
Just a little bit.
I'm not in the mood.
What if I tickle you? There we go. The Instagram bag is ready. That's exactly what the outfit needed. OMG!
Do I look like a mummy? Let's take a selfie to remember this.
Let's unwrap you. I'm wrapping the torso with paper tape, shaping the top and bottom of the outfit. I'll show you a cool life hack for doll clothes. Marking the future cut lines. This helps the outfit fit perfectly. And carefully cutting with a knife. Gently remove the pieces. Attaching them to the fabric. Tracing the outlines. Nice.
Can you plug my phone in?
Sure.
Oh, what are you doing here? Ah, patterns. My scissors can help.
Wow, you already did everything. Thanks.
Anytime.
Thank you.
Removing the tape. Joining the pieces and hand sewing them. Done. Try it on.
Something's missing. Oh, I got it. Let me find something to complete the look. Gotta dig through my stash. Found it. We're giving Rumi a haircut.
No haircuts. Give it back.
No.
Lali, that won't work for us.
No room for creativity.
Wow.
This makeup bag has such a pretty color. I've got an even better idea.
Yep, you got it. Yes, this will look amazing. Cutting out shiny pieces. Attaching them to the outfit. And right here. Oh, we should add some pink. Bright stripes. Now that's style.
I already made a skirt. Voila!
Oh my goodness.
And TikTok logo earrings too.
Hairstyle left, my favorite. Think. Got it! Lali love!
Ooh, so pretty, Lali. Oh, what's this here? Sparkly glitter stars. Done! Gorgeous!
Nice! Now makeup.
Let's go with blue.
No, pink.
Blue would be better.
Lalulu, what? Pink!
Lali, trust me. So stubborn.
It turned out great though. High five.
Yes, Rumi's TikTok look turned out insanely cool. Wow, that's 10 out of 10.
Ooh, who's this for?
Huh?
For you, of course.
I'm getting a YouTube style look. I'll be right back. Look at this cute pattern.
Nice, thank you. Hand it over. Placing it on the fabric and tracing the outline. Cutting it out with scissors. Done.
Here's the second piece.
Wow, you're fast. Putting them together and sewing by hand. Look what we've got. Try it on, Lali. Aw, so cute.
Really, I wanted something puffy.
Hey, don't worry. 1 and 2.
Ooh, much better. That's way nicer. Should we turn this into a corset?
No problem.
Let's go.
Done. How about puffy sleeves?
How will you make them?
I'll show you. Cutting petal shapes from satin ribbon. Like this. Now a life hack.
Candle, is it my birthday? Then where's my cake?
Huh?
Didn't you prepare?
No, it's for the hat. Watch. We'll seal the fabric edges so they don't fray. Attach it to one shoulder and the YouTube logo.
Boring. Is that all the decor?
No. Here.
Oh.
Boom. We've got tons of accessories. I'll take these beads. What do you think, Lali?
Now that's better.
Bracelet and belt decorations. Red hair clips.
I want to see myself in the mirror. Oh no, I'm stuck.
Gotcha. What happened?
You can't even walk in this.
Oh, right. Sit here for a second. I'll fix it. Let's pick… what should we choose? Oh, I'll grab everything. Lali can decide. Which ones do you like?
Let's try the blue ones.
Done. Are you sure?
Oh no, they don't match.
Maybe these? What do you think?
Yellow? Not at all.
Then only the red shoes are left.
Oh, now that's gorgeous.
Wow, Lali, your look is stunning. Who's this cutie? YouTube is totally your thing.
Doesn't it need more sparkle?
I've got something left. Where is it? Oh, perfect. What do you think? Folding wrapping paper and stapling it. An amazing bow. Let's see. Recording video.
Wow, I'm a real YouTube queen. Woohoo! Kisses to all my fans. In this outfit, I'll get the YouTube gold play button.
Look how awesome it turned out.
Now I'll definitely become a star.
Huh?
Yep, you got the gold play button, bestie.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. My dream came true.
Congrats, you're the coolest YouTuber.
Girls, come here. We're so happy for you. I've got 1 million followers on Insta.
And I'm trending #1 on TikTok.
Girls, let's do a collab.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Together now, smile.
Say cheese. Now the girls are real social media stars. Which look did you like the most? Lily? Lali? Or Rumi? Tell us in the comments.
Hendrix, bravo.
Oh, what's that? Where's all this smoke coming from?
Hey girls, what's up? We're officially inviting you to prom.
That's so cool.
We're going to prom. Yay!
Rumi, Ginu, come here. Huh? Let's see which social media app you'll get. Spinning the wheel. And it's YouTube. Congrats! Yes, I love YouTube. Let's do your first live stream. Lights, camera, everything's ready to go. Hi subscribers, thanks for joining. Today I'm doing an exclusive unboxing of my prom dress. Let's open it together. Seriously? A rubber duck? How am I supposed to go to prom in this? Well, take it. Rumi, sweetie, don't worry. That's Derpy's duck. And I have something special for you. Let's open the second box. Look what's inside. Red tape. You'll see. I wrap Rumi in clear plastic film. It's the base of the dress. Now I stick a strip of red tape to the front. Make some cuts at the waist and smooth it out. Just like that. Then I cover the whole waist and the side of the skirt with small pieces. I cut a slit in the back and remove it. I'll trim off the extra film so it looks neat. Well, does it look good on me? It looks amazing, but we're not done yet. I need a bit more tape. I stick a strip onto the film and peel off the extra. Then I add dots of hot glue and create folds. Now I need red tulle. Oh, thanks, Derpy. You're so smart. I sew the pleats to the tulle and glue it to the bottom of the dress. Gorgeous! I decorate the dress with beads all the way down. Add red stud earrings and a play button choker. So, what do you think of the dress? It's bright and totally YouTube style. Do you like your new look, Rumi? My subscribers will freak out. Can you film me for my channel? Like this, slightly straighter. Okay, now. Hey subscribers, we're preparing a surprise for prom. What's your favorite hand trick song? Comment below. The one with the most votes is the one we'll sing at prom. Oh wow, look at all those likes. Did you see that? I can't believe it. Okay, Zoe, your turn. Spinning the wheel. And you get TikTok. Congrats.
Yay, I love TikTok.
Now let's make you a perfect prom dress. Look, I've got a blind box. Something soft is inside.
I can't wait to see what's in it. Let's open it.
Okay. Unboxing time. Oh, looks like there are a few mini blind boxes inside too.
Let's open this one.
So, what do we have here? Look, shorts and a top for you. Try them on.
Wow, they're so stylish.
Let's open the second pack. Ooh, such a pretty fabric. Let's try it on. It looks amazing on you, Zoe.
Thanks, it looks gorgeous.
Okay, 3 packs left. Which one should we take? Let's go with this one. Opening. Oh wow, another part of your TikTok style skirt. Let's put it on. Perfect.
Awesome, now I'm a total cutie.
Let's add a bright belt. I'll make one from this yellow fabric. And we still have unopened packs. Let's see this one. Ooh, trendy leg warmers. Exactly what you need for a bold look. One last pack left. Something hard. Opening. Wow, it's your new sneakers.
Love it.
And I've got printed TikTok logos. Cutting them out carefully. I'm adding one logo on the top and the rest all over the skirt. Now for the hairstyle. Let's tie these two-tone ribbons into your hair. Let's see. You look stunning, Zoe. I think we nailed it.
I'm obsessed with my new look. I have to show this beauty to my followers ASAP. Hey everyone, it's Zoe, and today I'm showing you my exclusive TikTok-inspired outfit. Look, it's Zoe! Oh, she's so pretty. Zoe, can we have an autograph and a selfie? With me? Yes, of course. Can you take a picture of us?
Smile, and done.
Wow, you're filming a TikTok. Can we be in it? Sure, let's try. But where do we put the phone?
Let's put it on the tripod. I knew you'd need it.
Yay! Thank you, Zoe. You're the best. Watch this.
Magic touch. Move like this. Can't resist. When she moves like this.
Wow, this is gonna be a trend.
Hey!
What about me and my new look? Don't worry, Mira. It's your turn now. Let's see what you get. Instagram. Perfect. Let's make you a trendy Insta-style dress. Look, I've got tons of hair ties. Pick any one you like. I'll take this pink one. Great choice. The pink one will be the top. And the lavender one will be the skirt. Now I take a needle and thread and sew the two hair ties together. The main thing is to be very careful. Next, I take this big pink ruffled scrunchie and slide it onto the waist. I sew lilac fabric to the hem to make the dress fluffy and flowy. I love it! Now I add mesh sleeves, the Instagram logo on the top, and then a bunch of tiny Insta logos all over the dress. Look how soft and stylish it turned out! Mira looks like a total beauty! Mira, you look magical! Really? I'm obsessed with this dress. I have to go live in this gorgeous look. Hey everyone, welcome to Get Ready for Prom with me. First, I cleanse my face, lip tint, sparkly eyeshadow, and Insta logo hair clips.
Zoe, we look absolutely stunning. Totally, bestie.
Hey girls, you look amazing!
Thanks, you too, Mira.
Do a spin. Wow, stunning! Sorry for interrupting the fun, but the party is about to start.
All right, let's go.
And if you loved our outfits, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell so you never miss new videos.
What is this? Look how dirty it is in here. We can't have the prom here. What do we do? I'll get rid of them.
Okay, we did a good job, but it still looks kinda empty. Time for a photo zone. I take a sheet of corrugated cardboard and cover 3 sides with white tape. On the 4th side, I add hot glue and attach it to the steps. Now I grab white spray paint and cover the whole surface. I roll out a red carpet on the stairs and secure it with gold sticks. I decorate the photo zone with social media logos around the edges and add some stickers in the middle. Perfect! Thanks, girls. Amazing idea. I'll hang this disco ball garland too. Whoa, what a transformation. Besties, we nailed it. We couldn't have done this without you. High five. Always happy to help. I officially announce the start of the King and Queen of the Ball contest.
Oh, but where are the Saja boys? Did they not come? Maybe they're just running late.
Don't worry, girls. We'll find out right now. Here, Rumi, call Ginu and ask where they are. Hello? Guys, where are you? Everyone's waiting for you.
Oh, we totally forgot about the prom. But we don't have outfits. We need your help ASAP.
All right, don't panic. For Ginu's outfit, I take a piece of red fabric and cut out the pattern. I do the same with the other fabrics. Then I sew the kimonos together. Look how cool they turned out.
Let me try it on.
I put it on him, tie the belt, trim the excess, and add the social media logos. Not just on the belts, but on the hats too. Look how awesome they look. Go, Saja boys. Where are they?
Hey, look over there! Is that a helicopter?
Hey, girls! Missed us?
Yay, you made it! Your kimonos look so cool!
All right, it's time to announce the prom king and queen. Please bring me the crown.
But the crown is gone.
What do you mean it's gone?
What do you mean it's gone?
Oh, this can't be happening. How will we do the ceremony? Ah!
Easy, easy, don't worry. We'll fix everything right now. I have a sheet of paper with a crown drawn on it. I cover it with clear tape to laminate it. Then, using a 3D pen, I fill in the crown outline very carefully. I wait for it to dry and cut it out with small scissors. Look at this crown. I peel off the paper and it's ready. I make 2 more crowns the same way. I decorate the base with gems and rhinestones. Just look at how gorgeous they are. Stunning! Now I'll give them to Bobby. Here you go, Bobby. All 3 crowns.
Thank you.
Now that the crowns are here, let's move on to the most exciting part. Dear graduates, this year we have a very special moment, and the crown goes to every member of Handtricks. Congratulations!
Yay, I'm so happy!
Girls, we did it! We totally earned this! It's time for our big surprise. Right, here are your microphones. Start the show!
Breaking the spell, dancing through fire, straight out of hell. No more pretending we on the stage.
Which social media style craft did you like best? Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye!